Welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing. I know you guys are tired of hearing this, but come on guys, it takes 30 seconds out of your time. Go hit that red subscribe button. But now let's talk about Cardano ADA. Well, looking at the markets right now, you guys might be saying, Crypto ZX, are you crazy at this point? Why are you so excited? You're looking at the markets down. We're seeing so much red across the board, but you're excited. What's the matter? Nothing is the matter, guys. I'm just immune to these types of moves. I'm sure all my OG crypto investors that have been here since 2016, 17 and onwards really understand what these markets consist of. And what if I told you this is nothing compared to what I've seen in the markets? I've seen significant drops. I remember the pandemic drop, and I took perfect advantage of it. You guys can literally go back in time to watch my updates where I was picking up ETH at what price? Less than $100. Good times. But anyways, we're going to be talking about what is happening, what are some next targets for ADA. So let's waste no more time and talk about that. So pretty much the entire market is down at this point. I'm sure you guys know, and that is due to BTC. So that's that. All that boring stuff out of the way. Let's take a look at Cardano. So if we're looking at Cardano's price, $56. Whoa. What am I saying? Okay, I'm way too excited at this point. 56 cents. Down 0.7% over the past 24 hours in USD comparative, but we're up about 1% in Bitcoin comparative, which is really nice to see. Market cap currently sitting at $19.6 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $1.1 billion. One thing I want you guys to be taking a look at is this. So I'm going to leave the chart here for a few seconds, and let me see if you guys can see what I'm about to say. So I'll give you guys 10 seconds to take a look at from the top 1 to the top 10 and top 9. Even top 10 actually. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. So what we're seeing with ADA is, if you're looking at the last 24 hours, guys, in the top 10, this is the only project that is holding the best against the overall market. You can see it's only down 2.7%. Meanwhile, 1.3%, 2.3%. So you guys get the idea. So basically what I'm trying to show you guys is that Cardano has bullish momentum still, believe it or not. Still has a lot of momentum on its side. And we're going to talk a little bit more on momentum and all that good stuff. So before we get into the charts and all that good stuff, as always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So I want to hold off on the charts for a second. I want to show you guys the native tokens, the ecosystem, the DeFi on Cardano. You know, we talk about DeFi this, DeFi that, you know, massive growth, this and that, but you don't really understand it until you actually see the visuals. So I'm going to show you the visuals today. So these are tokens right here. Let's get rid of this ad. So these are some tokens that are built on the Cardano blockchain. And look at the last 30-day change. Pretty much everything at this point is up. You know, you're seeing Ardana, I don't even know what that is, but basically what I'm trying to show you is that the tremendous, hype factor that's coming into the Cardano's ecosystem. You can see 400%, 77, 76, 13, 6%, 27, 107. Obviously Sneak, the biggest meme coin on the Cardano blockchain. You guys can see this for yourself. 271.5% over the past 30 days. So you can get the idea that, we're seeing tremendous amount of eyes coming into the Cardano's ecosystem, and that is organic. And what if I told you that this is just the beginning? Remember what happened with Solana? Something similar will happen with Cardano as well. And from my understanding, Sneak is going to be the biggest meme coin on the Cardano blockchain. So that is something I do have my eyes on as well. But just giving you guys a better look, making you guys understand that there's a lot of eyes on ADA right now. And these eyes are not just from us. When I say us, I'm talking about just small investors, which are, of course, retail. There's big institutions showing interest from Cardano, not just over the last 2-3 months, from the beginning. Go back in time. A lot of institutions have spoken about Cardano before, and also this is going to attract a lot of attention. If Avalanche can get, now hear me out, if Avalanche can get an ETF, what makes us say Cardano with the project with a higher market cap and Solana can't, right? And this is what a lot of people are starting to question. So what if we do see multiple ETFs? And why are ETFs even important? Now you may be saying, oh, this is going to give the banks access and control over these currencies. Of course. But guess what? This brings in a huge inflow. Huge, massive inflow of cash. And that is what is exciting a lot of people. And believe it or not, my speculation, we're already seeing the likes of these massive institutions picking up these coins right now as we speak. But let's take a look at the price now. Now that we have kind of gone out of that rant, let's take a look at the price. Look at how good the price is holding at that previous resistance. Remember this resistance, guys? Does this ring a bell? This resistance was a resistance I was continuously talking about to you guys. And now that same exact resistance is coming in our support. We're seeing the price of ADA holding onto its dear life at the support line, which is really nice to see. And I expect the support to hold. Even though we've seen a lot of ups and downs for BTC, which of course is manipulation occurring at its finance. We did see a fake out all the way up to 42,000 once again. Whales pushing the price of BTC towards the downside to shake out all the longs that might have piled up. But the way ADA has held is really speaking for itself. And again, it's replicating Solana's overall move that we saw. This is something I haven't just been saying pretty much since the last 2 days. I've been talking about this when no one wanted to pay attention to Cardano, when people were talking negative about ADA. And isn't it crazy, guys? You still see hundreds of comments coming in on a day-to-day basis saying, oh, when is the price going back down to 20 cents? Can we get another opportunity at 30 cents? Why did you guys not pick it up when you had that chance? Oh man, that is quite funny to say the least. But let's look at how far we are from its yearly high. So only 16% until we break into a yearly high. And next breakout, guys, is going to get us back into the 78.6. And this is where excitement kicks in. If you think what we've seen is an excitement, what if I told you this is nothing compared to what we're about to see? So I'm very excited for ADA's future. I think this project has the capabilities of pulling big numbers. I've made a huge price prediction video. If you did watch that, if you haven't, look up Cardano price prediction crypto ZX, and you will see literally me talking about all the numbers, potential targets in the next bull market. And I personally think ADA has everything possible for itself to actually push towards all-time highs. But again, right, it's going to be one step at a time. It's not going to just happen overnight. We're going to be taking it baby steps. But speaking about baby steps, it doesn't seem like it's taking baby steps over the past 2 weeks at this point. You can see this for yourself. Once we broke out a 70% gain for a big market cap coin. So very excited for the future, but right now we do need to be paying very close attention to BTC. But nonetheless, looking great. Let me know down below what excites you the most for Cardano, and where do you see the price of Cardano trading at the end of the bull market. Love you all. See you tomorrow. Open Crypto ZX, and peace out.